Owning a car often means dealing with dents and dings caused by minor accidents, hail, or parking incidents. While they may seem small, such imperfections can harm your car's appearance and resale value if left untreated. Addressing them promptly prevents further issues like rust or paint damage. Types of dents. 1. Round dents caused by hail or debris, creating smooth indentations. 2. Creased dents, line-shaped marks requiring more effort to repair. 3. Sharp dents, deep impressions with scratches from severe impacts. 4. Dings, small, shallow marks from doctor hits, easier to fix. DIY versus professional repairs. DIY repairs. Minor, paint undamaged dents can often be fixed using tools like suction cups or DIY kits on flat, accessible surfaces. Professional repairs. Experts are necessary for paint damaged, sharp, or creased dents, particularly for high-end or vintage cars. Repair techniques. Paintless dent repair, cost-effective, eco-friendly method for minor dents without paint damage. Body filler and paint matching, used for significant dents, restoring a seamless look. Hot and cold techniques, heating and rapidly cooling the metal to reshape the panel. Prevention tips. Wax regularly. Park strategically. Use car covers for protection. Repair dents promptly to avoid rust. Choosing a repair shop. Look for certified, experienced professionals, positive reviews, repair warranties, and competitive estimates. Timely dent repair preserves your car's appearance, functionality, and value, ensuring it remains in excellent condition for years to come. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 83227543774. That's 83227543774. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.